Ryan got a new toy.
What are you doing? So the verdict?
Don't ask me, I haven't been up there. We've been in Naples for over a decade, and there's a lot of things we've never done, places we've never been to, things we haven't experienced. So now that we came back from traveling, and we're going to spend a few months here, we decided, let's check out some of these things. So we're starting with Freedom Park. And for those of you who don't know, it's a memorial for 9/11, and the boardwalk, which I believe is about half a mile, they do not allow dogs. Obviously dogs can't be in buildings either. But the rest of the trails and whatnot, you can have dogs on. So keep that in mind. Turns out we're terrible tourists in our own town. We tried one new thing, and that was it. So maybe next time when we come back, we can try something else new. We're running some errands today, and we decided we needed some Starbucks. I have a gift card, so I was like, oh, it's not gonna cost us anything. So we each ordered a coffee, and the woman says it's $12.46. Okay, let me pull out my gift card. What's the balance? $12.46.
How do you do that? How do you do that? Seriously.
Do we need a lotto ticket? Ryan got a new toy. Yeah, wants to be able to pressure wash the roof of the RV.
We have the Ryobi power washer. So I chose to get this because it had the best reviews and it seemed to be kind of on the top of the list for possibilities. So I'm gonna unbox it, we're gonna take a look at it, and we're gonna use it on the top of the RV. Let's do it. All right, so instruction manual, we'll put that aside right now. So it's got a nice little foam dispenser. So if you want to be able to add foam for the washing the truck or washing the trailer, you can easily be able to do that. Big thing that I noticed about these is the flexible cord. This is so flexible in comparison to a lot of the ones that are very stiff. So it should be a lot easier to be able to move it around instead of getting kinks and having other issues too. A lot of people had bought extra ones or different ones because the one that they had was just crap. Pretty long cable that comes with it, and of course a little surge reset just in case you get anything extra wet. It's got two separate nozzles. Everything should be pretty self-explanatory. Kind of just twist it together like so. Push it in, clip it on. A nice little quick connect. There's a handle that comes with a little strap so you can be able to strap on your cable and also your pressure washer hose. Nozzle information for you to decide how you kind of want everything. And this is the bad boy. It's small, it's light, it's like 16, 17 pounds. So it has water inlet here, and then it has your hose hookup as far as here. Nice on and off power switch. Your extra, where you put your adapters or your nozzle tips is gonna go up here. And of course the handle is gonna be right here too. So the nice thing about this too is that when you want it, it turns on. When you don't want it, it turns off. Some of the other ones like Craftsman, it constantly just runs. And it doesn't have that kind of turn on and off mechanism too. Let me get these screwed on, be right back. 2 screws on the very top of it. Little connector down here. So it just screws right in. Another thing I've heard is the connector is so much more of a solid connector in comparison to other connectors.
No, that sound isn't annoying at all. Nope, nope.
So the verdict?
Don't ask me, I haven't been up there.
I think it's a pretty good pressure washer. I'm actually pretty pleased. Did a good job. The problem is I was just planning on doing the roof. Now I gotta do the whole thing almost because everything's dirty now from what I washed from the roof. But I'm pretty impressed. Like it did a pretty good job. So now I gotta do the rest of it.
But I'll tell you, the pets inside don't like it.
Ugh. Yeah, so pets and pressure washers, not gonna work. Not gonna work. And here's a quick peek of Endless Summer RV Resort while we've been there for the last 5 months. There we go. Looking good. You did a great job.
Hurry up, Kenny! Hurry up, Kenny!
That's out, man. You want in? You want to run in? I got wool. It's not so. I got wool on it.